Starting your financial journey with artificial intelligence? Awesome! You're already on the right track. But here's the secret. Financial success isn't just about big decisions. It starts with the small daily habits that lay the groundwork for a solid future. Ever wondered how the little decisions you make about your daily habits contribute to your financial future? Those tiny choices that you make while spending or saving pile up over time and could potentially create a huge impact. This is why building solid financial habits, ones that inch closer to your goals, is so very important. How does this happen? That's where AI comes in. Think of AI not as technology, but as your financial companion to help you keep track and understand your spending. Imagine using AI-driven apps that monitor your daily expenses, offer smart ways to reduce unnecessary spending, and even inspire you to save more effectively. So for example, if you are the type of person who likes to spend money on online shopping or dining out, AI will keep track of past behavior and will suggest some gradual ways to cut these expenses so that extra money can be channeled into savings and investments. Mint and YNAB are great budgeting apps. It even analyzes your spending using AI to give you very thorough reports on areas to improve. You can even set up reminders that will let you know when you've gone over budget, or automate a way to have part of your income set aside into savings. The building of good financial practices doesn't only pertain to money. It will be about the management of time. In moving toward financial prosperity, you will have to look at budgeting and reviewing expenses and seeking new opportunities. AI may come in handy with applications like Trello or Todoist, which are using AI in organizing tasks and reminding about financial goals. The hardest thing in any new habit is consistency. It's easy to get started, but to actually keep doing it over a long period of time, that's the big challenge. That's where AI really excels at sending regular reminders and personalized tips to keep moving in the right direction. Imagine having an AI-driven application that will remind you to check your savings on a weekly basis, or even better, nudge you when you are spending too much on non-essentials. Those reminders will keep you focused on your financial goals without losing sight of the big picture. Here is how you can get started with some smart financial habits today. Set a monthly budget using a budgeting app. Track your daily spending and let AI help you identify ways to optimize. Set small monthly savings goals using AI tools and watch the progress grow. Set up reminders to review finances and make adjustments accordingly. Good financial habits are the habits that lead to financial success, the kind of success that lasts. Building smart daily routines of spending, saving, and investing really can change your life. AI isn't just a tool for better decisions, it's a partner in your financial and personal growth. Start building today and let AI make the journey easier. So, what does financial success come down to? Because it is all about consistency and smart planning. So are you ready to begin?